Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will let to show to you the way how to edit text on the PDF file only with iPhone without any website help or any converter help. So here you just need to open the files and you just need to open the documents that you want to edit, and here let's see the information of this document. Go click this part and you'll see this document is on the PDF format. So whenever you click it, you cannot even able to access the text on this document, right? So here if you want to edit the text, you just need to go click this. This trick is really important. You just need to go click this side, this pen symbols on the down part, and go click this plus button, and we need to cover the area that you want to change. Let's say here I want to change the price for the storybook here, so you just need to go click add shape and go click this rectangle or any shapes that you want to have, and right after that you just need to change the color by go click this part and go click the similar color by to this color picker, or if you already sure with the color, go click it right away. So I will just the white because the background is white, and now we just need to drag this into the top part of the information that you want to change right here, and let's just check. Okay, it's already covered, and the next thing we need to do, you just need to go click this plus button again and go click this add text, and now you just need to type on these boxes the text that you want to use to replace the previous text. Here I will let you change it into the 100, but then what if the font is not same? Here you just need to go click the text again, and you just need to go click it, take a look on this part, and you just need to try to find the font that have a similar with the format. And here I already got it. Now you just need to adjust the size by go click this part, and you just need to make it exactly similar with the original one. Okay, I think it's closed, and you just need to drag it into the boxes, and now you're done. So that is the way how to edit the text on the PDF files with iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.